Corinthians 12 verse 4 and 5 says, there are different gifts of the Spirit, but the same Spirit. There are diversities or diverse ministries, but the same Spirit work in all. We have different gifts of the Spirit: healing, prophecy, deliverance, and so on. And we also have different ministries. We have the apostles, pastors, bishops, reverend, and so on. All these diversities of gifts and ministry work in one Spirit. It is the same Spirit that possesses all these diversities of gifts and ministries. There are 7 spirits of God. Number 1, the spirit of wisdom. 2, spirit of understanding. 3, the spirit of might. 4, the spirit of counsel. 5, the spirit of the fear of God. Okay. 6, the spirit of knowledge. And finally, number 7 spirit is the spirit of power, that you can find in Acts chapter 1 verse 8. Says, and you shall receive power when the Spirit has come upon you. We need to have the 7 spirits of God. If you are not possessed with the 7 spirits of God as a believer, then you might fall prey to the devil to possess you with his own evil spirits as well. Whatever that is original from God, there is always fake from the devil. Okay? The devil is always faking everything that is originally from God. So if you are not possessed with the 7 spirits of God, then you may likely be possessed with demons, or with familiar spirits, or with evil spirits, as the case may be. As a Christian, when the Holy Spirit is trying to resist evil by telling you consciously that this thing that you are about to do is bad, is evil, is devilish, and you harden your heart, that is a sign that you lack the Holy Spirit in you. Because the Holy Spirit is not wicked as the devil to manipulate believers, to allow believers to fall into sin consciously. When the Holy Spirit keeps talking to you, keeps speaking to you, and you harden your heart, is a sign that you lack the Holy Spirit. So don't harden your heart when the Holy Spirit is still there talking to you, is still with you. When the Holy Spirit is still guiding you, is still counseling you, let your heart be open Open up your heart. When the Holy Spirit is still there with you, talking to you, speaking to you calmly, restricting you from whatever it is that is bad, do not have in your heart. Open up your heart. Okay? Open up your heart so you can receive the spirits of God. How can you grow spiritually as a believer when you continue to resist the Holy Spirit? You can't grow. You just remain where you are. You just remain stagnant spiritually. You might find yourself, you might see yourself prospering physically, but spiritually, you will be ignorant that you are not growing spiritually. You are just stagnant. Remember, your spiritual life is the engine of your soul. He who has ear, let him hear what the Holy Spirit is saying.